You searched how to buy shares of Fortune Real Estate Investment Trust, a Hong Kong real estate investment trust listed on the HKEX under ticker 778, HK. This video shows the practical steps to place a trade for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. To buy this stock, you need a brokerage account. I'll use eToro as an example to show the process. After you register, you will need to verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform search box and type the ticker 778, HK, then select the matching Fortune Real Estate Investment Trust listing on the HKEX to find the right instrument. On the asset page, review the basic company information and the price chart to confirm you have the correct listing. Verify exchange, ticker, and the page title to ensure it's Fortune Real Estate Investment Trust on HKEX. To place an order, choose Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to purchase, then carefully review the order details and confirm. If the market is closed, the order may be scheduled or queued, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. After the trade executes, your position will appear in your portfolio, where you can monitor it. Check the video description for a link to eToro if you want to explore the platform, and remember, this is informational, not investment advice.